This is to all the BW artists out there, I got a degree. It's music. I got any experience in music, but the hell, what I've observed as an individual for quite a long time, really Batswana, we want to blow, we want to be popular, we want to be making money, because at the end of the day, money we just wake up each and every day to go and make some money. But like what is working for artists out there who are they invest into their industry. What I mean by that, you see a certain artist, maybe from Nigeria, I go America just to feature an American artist who is big, not just anybody. And that one I believe popular, so those million views, more YouTube and all that, why? Why our artist mo Botswana magaske ba ire yalo ke gore rona re tloa re le mo Botswana hela re tla tloa re kuro each and every day we kuro how ira mo you are just alone, you are not working with anybody who is big out there, can you re le Botswana re the artists tsa Botswana, let us halt that re emise re ene se topo ile gore benne ile gore ha o ile gore wa ikelela se ntotlo ahead o re ka moso re ka next time or the next album yano is going to be international, ya go feature maybe Zahara, ya go Zahara ke ngora ke re we should do something together, kana go ya go maybe just a huge artist o ile gore gongwe itle wena wa itse gore hela o na le so many followers. And level video ya Davido ya malobana, like I dragged 2 weeks ago, 1 week ago, and more than 3 million views. Guess I already like we should look into that only, but hella look at the exposure that he is getting, Batswana, please artist tswa mo go tlhola mo le one hela tsena mo bathong ba bangwe tse o simolola o tsena mo view how so view tsena mo go how so mo go ele like the biggest artist ever when o tla bona madua do go tswa, and you are going to be popular, you are going to be making many people are making millions, and many people are making money only because of just certain videos mo YouTube. So please, Batswana out there, Batswana artist, le gang go feature batho le bella what the artists didn't go say gore that there. Why can't you talk to them? Why can't you talk to Caspanyana Youngvest? Bona gona na ro popular and only exposure one and he's going to be making money right now. Only the followers di kana ka bona gona no ire just do something about that. Use that you as an artist mo Botswana invest invest in partnerships, please invest in partnerships. How no I'm a Botswana, like no, you're not supposed to be alone. Partnership partnershiping when just out of the blue, and a certain artist mo Botswana a future you maybe ana a bela le Beyonce, it's in ho bela ibile life ale life, ile pina ga ya motho a Botswana hela. Why can't we do that? Let us just invest in ourselves, guys. I know I don't have anything in the table, but this is what I have observed. Let us do something. I get back to like we have people who are having decades of experience, but why? Because they're just working alone. So it's a bit here. I say I'm out.